Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balbimdevde. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in GSW College. And today's video topic is array list in Java. We can see the array list. What is meant by array list? The array list is array list, and we can see the definition of the array list, and so we can why use to the array list into the Java, and also we can see the different types of the method present into the array list. So let's start. The first we can see the definition of the collection. Collection, it is a framework of the framework and architecture. Collection is a framework. It is behaved like the architecture. It is a store and manipulate the data. Then also we can call as a collection is a store the individual object. We can using to the collection, we can perform the different types of the operation like searching, sorting, insertion, deletion. It is a different types of the operation we can perform by using to the collection. So in this collection interface we can present the list interface. This list interface are two lists are present. First is a array list and second is a linked list. So we can see the first list. It is called as a array list. The array list is by using to the replacement of the array. The disadvantages of the array are not the growable in nature, and also we can store into the array only similar number of data types, means only we can store the integer data to array list. It will be store only the integer. Then the array we can not a growable nature also, and then the array we can require we can declare once this size we can not change this size. And then the arrays these disadvantages are removed by using to the array list. And then we can see the how to replace the array list the disadvantages of the array by using to the array list. The array list is a growable in nature, means the array list once the this size is reached into the max value, then it will be automatically grow this size, and this is a array list is a default value is a 10, and we can increase the value in the array list is by using to the this is a half value, means we can reach into the 10 position. It will be automatically increase the 5 element into the array list. It is remove the disadvantages by using the array list. Also the array list we can store the all the data into the object form. What is meant by object? We can convert it into the object, means this object form we can store the data. We can use to the wrapper classes. This wrapper classes means we can convert it into the primitive data types into the object. It is called as a wrapper classes. This wrapper classes we can also call as a unboxing and autoboxing. This autoboxing also we can convert it into the object into the primitive data types. It is possible into the collection. When we convert it into the any primitive data type into the wrapper classes, this will be we can define to the capital letter to the data types. Then we can use to the store the integer as well as string. Then any heterogeneous object are stored into the array list by using to the wrapper classes. It is possible into the array list. It is remove the disadvantages of the array, and it is all about to the array list. And we can different types of the methods are present into the array list. Is a set, size of, index of, last index of. It is a it is a predefined method to the arrays. It is predefined method to present into the array list. It is a collection class. By using into the list we can perform the different operation into the this predefined method, by using to the predefined method. It is all about to the array list. So let's thank you and take care.